As a YouTuber, are you tired of your videos getting lost in the endless sea of content? Want to know the secret to make your videos stand out and go viral? Stay tuned, because in this video, we are unlocking the ultimate guide to YouTube SEO and creating viral content that can skyrocket your channel's growth. Welcome to Fahtel Growth Tips, a hub where aspiring individuals come to unlock their full potential and achieve bigger dreams. I believe that why you choose to watch this video is that you are doing YouTube as a business and not as a hobby, and you wish to take it to a higher level, thus generating more income. Also, I believe you have identified your niche and have started creating videos already. If you have not, indicate in the comment section so we can do another video guiding you on how to choose a good niche. So, let's dive into the very first and most crucial step of our strategy, keyword research. Effective keyword research is the foundation of your entire strategy. It's like having a map that shows you exactly what your audience is searching for, guiding your content creation process. There are many keyword research tools for YouTube, including Google Keyword Planner, TubeBuddy, and vidIQ. You can uncover high-volume, low-competition keywords that will help your videos rank higher in search results. For instance, did you know that long-tail keywords can significantly boost your visibility? Instead of just using fitness tips, try beginner fitness tips for quick weight loss. A quick disclaimer, we are not an affiliate of any of these tools mentioned. We got to know about them in the course of our research and chose to share them with you for educational purposes. Therefore, do your due diligence, pick any of them that you find convenient, and start creating viral contents. If you want us to do a comprehensive video about how to use any of these tools, type in the comment section indicating the tool, and we shall do a comprehensive video showing you step-by-step how to boost your channel and video visibility. Secondly, titles. Your video title is the first thing viewers see, and it plays a critical role in attracting clicks and improving your search rankings. A great title needs to be captivating and optimized for search. Here are some tips. Always include your primary keywords naturally at the beginning of your video title, keep it under 60 characters, and make it specific and compelling. For example, instead of productivity tips, go for boost your productivity, 10 reliable and effective strategies. This sparks curiosity and promises value. You can use a tool like headlines.koshtool.com or monsterinsights.com/headline-analyzer. Choose YouTube and analyze your video title. Again, we are not an affiliate of these tools. The third aspect of YouTube SEO on our list is thumbnails. Your thumbnail is the visual hook that entices viewers to click on your video. Think of your thumbnail as a movie poster. It needs to be eye-catching and intriguing. Use bright colors, expressive faces, and bold text to grab attention. But remember, it should accurately represent your video's content. Misleading thumbnails can lead to higher bounce rates and damage your channel's reputation. Look at these examples from Mr. Beast. Notice the use of vibrant colors and expressive faces? These elements create curiosity and draw viewers in. And here is a pro tip, make sure your thumbnail complements your title. Together, they should tell a compelling story. Next up is the video hook. The first few seconds of your video are crucial. They determine whether viewers stay or leave. A strong hook is essential for retaining attention and increasing viewer retention rates. Start your video with an interesting fact, a provocative question, or a quick preview of what is coming. For instance, if your video is about productivity hacks, you could start with, "Did you know that a simple change in your morning routine can boost your productivity by 50%? Stay tuned to find out how." This immediately grabs attention and gives viewers a reason to keep watching. In this video you are watching, we started by saying, as a YouTuber, are you tired of your videos getting lost in the endless sea of content? Want to know the secret to make your videos stand out and go viral? Stay tuned, because in this video, we are unlocking the ultimate guide to YouTube SEO and creating viral content that can skyrocket your channel's growth. Take a look at how Marques Brownlee, or MKBHD, hooks his audience right from the start. He quickly dives into the crux of his tech reviews, maintaining viewer interest from the get-go. This technique can significantly increase your video's watch time and improve its ranking on YouTube. Another important aspect of YouTube SEO is video quality and length. High-quality visuals and audio are non-negotiable if you want to maintain viewer engagement. No one wants to watch a blurry or poorly lit video with crackling audio. Invest in good lighting, a decent camera, and a quality microphone. This doesn't mean you need to break the bank, there are plenty of budget-friendly options out there. The key is to ensure that your content is clear and professional. When it comes to video length, consider the type of content you are creating. Tutorials and in-depth discussions might benefit from longer videos, while entertainment or quick tips could be shorter. However, if you are looking to monetize your channel, which I am sure is the reason why you are doing YouTube, aim for a minimum of 7 minutes in my opinion. This allows you to place more ads and maximize your revenue. Remember, quality over quantity. A well-produced 7-minute video is far better than a poorly made 15-minute one. Just make sure that your video solves a problem and see how it will attract organic traffic. Next, let's talk about descriptions. Your video description is a powerful tool for SEO and provides viewers with additional context and resources. Start with a compelling first sentence that includes your primary keywords. This helps with search rankings and immediately tells viewers what your video is about. For example, if your video is about productivity tips, you might start with, "Discover the top productivity tips that can transform your daily routine." Follow this with a detailed overview of your content, including timestamps for easy navigation. This not only helps with SEO but also improves viewer experience, as they can quickly find the sections they are interested in. Don't forget to add links to related videos, your social media profiles, and any resources you mentioned in the video. This encourages viewers to explore more of your content and follow you on other platforms. By ensuring high production values and optimizing your video descriptions, you'll keep your audience engaged and improve your chances of ranking higher in search results. Next up are hashtags and tags. These are vital tools that help YouTube understand what your content is about and show it to the right audience. Hashtags appear above your video title and can significantly improve visibility. Use 3 to 5 relevant hashtags to help categorize your content. For example, if your video is about productivity, you might use hashtag productivity tips, hashtag time management, and hashtag worksmart. Tags, on the other hand, are more detailed and help refine YouTube's understanding of your video's topic. Include both short-tail tags, like productivity, and long-tail tags, like how to increase productivity at work. Analyze competitors' tags for inspiration. Tools like vidIQ can help you see which tags are working for similar content. Download and install vidIQ free Chrome extension to see which tags your competitors are using to go viral so you can copy and add yours. Remember, filling up to 450 characters with relevant tags can maximize your video's discoverability. Now, let's talk about boosting videos with YouTube ads. Ads can give your videos an initial push and help reach a larger audience. This is particularly useful if you are a small channel like ours. Targeting specific demographics is key to effective ad campaigns. Use YouTube's ad targeting options to reach the audience most likely to be interested in your content. This ensures that your ads are seen by the right people. There are a lot of videos on how to run YouTube video boosting ads here on YouTube. Kindly search for them, watch, and do the same. Monitor your ad performance closely. YouTube provides detailed analytics that can help you understand which ads are working and which are not. Adjust your strategy based on these insights to get the most out of your ad spend. Remember, ads are a supplemental strategy. While they can boost visibility, the core of your growth should always be high quality, engaging content that resonates with your audience. Thank you for watching Fahtel Growth Tips. If you have any questions or topics you want us to cover, let us know in the comments below. Let's keep creating and growing together. See you in the next video.